Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. They're going to show you reverse camera installed on BMW 535i 2011. So first we've used our handle style camera. So you can see the camera in here. That replaces the original handle, so it's not like a drilled in or anything. And for the screen, we've used the factory screen. So we put a module that will allow us to watch the video on the factory screen. Okay, so I'm going to start the vehicle. Put the volume all the way down. Accept. I put the vehicle in reverse. We have the image showing on the screen. Now, as you can see, we also have the factory parking sensors on the right side. And the steering wheel, we have an indication which way the steering wheel is going. Now if you want to have a full screen, all we have to do is hold the button down. We're going to scroll between the options. So one option is parking sensor only. Next option is full screen. Next option is half and half. For cameras on BMWs, Audis and other vehicles, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.